Hi everyone, Nona here, and today we'll be going over one of the movements within the first movement of bird flapping. It's a difficult pose as far as balance goes, and we had mentioned that we would cover it in another video, and so here we are. So the movement looks like this. Bird flapping is the first movement of 5 animal sports bird. So we open flap, flapping the other direction. Third one. Then we breathe in, arms lift together, front body opens, exhale, everything comes down, and this is where the difficult move occurs. And this is what it looks like in full expression. Inhaling here, and you can do a full breath, or you can come right down with the exhale. And then you would step through to the other side. So for this movement, we've been saying while you get used to the movement and gain your balance and become stronger in this position, you can take a modified version, inhaling, exhaling, and then you can inhale here and just come off just a little bit. And the important part is the structure of the body, which I will now show actually on the floor. This is something that I've gained from my yoga practice, and it really helps in the standing position. So what you're going to need is somewhere comfortable that you can lay down on, like a yoga mat or your carpet. You could probably even do it on your bed or some cushions. Okay, so I have my yoga mat here. I'm just going to take a position on the floor. So once we're on the floor, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be lying face down, and this exercise here on the floor is going to be helping us feel the way that the upper body is going to support the leg lift. And doing it on one leg standing causes some wobbles and uncertainty, so it will simplify it by taking that element out of it. So we're going to take a lying down position on your mat or on your carpet or bed, and you're going to feel the pelvis against the floor very firmly. You can rest here for a few moments even to kind of just let your body settle. And then you can bring your arms above you as if you're taking the inhale. And then exhale, let your body settle again. And then you're going to remain with the pelvis firmly against the ground, my tailbone's even kind of striving to firmly press against the mat. You're going to inhale again, and you're going to lift from the pelvis. The belly's going to expand, and the legs are going to come up as you arc your back. And you can even leave your hands on the floor. You can leave them supporting you lightly on the ground. It doesn't really matter at this point. We'll add the hands later. So you exhale, let that go in time, and rest your head on the ground in between. Take a deep inhale and exhale. And let everything relax on the exhale. And then again, inhale, you're going to fill your belly with openness. Pelvis presses against the ground, and as your shoulders lift and your legs lift, there's actually a nice support that's happening from all the way from the shoulders all the way through to the tips of the feet. So then you relax again. You can put the other cheek down to have some evenness in your neck. And we'll go one more time. You're going to inhale, lifting the feet. You can feel the energy come up the spine, up to the shoulders, and you can let the neck nicely follow the line of the back and relax. And then you can even extend the hands back as if you're flying. And then you can exhale, lower down. So at home, you can give that a shot and see how that feels. Go ahead and let us know how it goes for you at home. We'd love to hear if this has helped you with that first movement of bird flapping. Hope you join us again next time.